form. But if you pick it up and put it straight into the water, this memory never forms. The result, either it lays eggs in the wrong place, or it is never able to lay eggs at all. Meaning one small help can wipe out an entire generation. Next time you feel pity, remember, sometimes not helping is the biggest help of all. This is exactly why you should never help a baby turtle reach the ocean, no matter how much pity you feel. Baby turtle.
Advanced kick.
Homer's brain was injured when he was hit by the loose structure of the nuclear power plant. He could have demanded an astronomical compensation, but unexpectedly, Homer only...
Yan, mabantay ka na tindahan dyan, ha? Kaya, magbantay ka na tindahan.
Ay po, dahil na po na siya sa tindahan.
Siya na taro na ka magbabantay na tindahan. Ano po, maipit mo. Ano po?